All right. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Kiali Sprint 15 community demo and presentation meeting. And today we will going to show you what we have done in Kiali Sprint 15. And on the end of this sprint, so next Monday, we will release Kiali version 2.18. So we will go through the main features and bug fixes which were done, and we will see what's going next on the next sprint 16, and we will have a time for community discussions. So let's start. In this sprint, a lot of work have been done on Kiali project. On Kiali repository itself, there are 33 done items. There are several in progress and in preview. Pull requests and tasks. We have 3 epics in progress. And I also want to mention that in this sprint, a lot of work was done also on Kiali MCP server side. So we are adding more and more new features on Kiali MCP, which will request information from Kiali side. Then let's go through the main features which we have done on this sprint. First is Kiali configuration, got a new option in the Kiali CR for references into the Perses dashboards. So when the Perses URL go to format your OpenShift in our metrics pages, here is shown particularly in a workload metrics, the top links, which were usually linked to Jaeger Grafana dashboard, now we can configure it and it's linking to the Perses dashboards. Another feature was about adding a new badge for net observability needs, and I will let my colleague Meili to talk about this slide.
Yeah, thank you. For this release, we have added a network traffic badge that works when a user has installed the NetObserv plugin. You will see this on the traffic graph, and it will only pop up with a workload that detects that there is data that's being processed from NetObserv. And once you click on the network traffic link, it will bring you to the deployments and already filtered namespace for the network traffic that is being processed. And this was also actually backported into 2.17 as well.
Thank you, Meili. The next feature which we had done on this sprint was in a mesh page, the improvement of the side panel on the right side. So now when cluster is installed with multiple meshes, all this information will be shown on the right side panel. So 2 tabs appear. In the first tab, in the overview tab, we keep showing information about clusters, Kiali version, all the observability versions in this section. And the next tab is specialized for the meshes. It will show the overall number of meshes installed in the cluster, and the list of meshes comes with a filter and with expandable sections. So each mesh can be expanded, and more information about the control planes and their versions and the number of data plane namespaces will be shown separately per mesh on this side panel, new tab. Also, there were some changes which are notable to mention in this meeting. In kiosk mode, added a new ability for kiosk parents to supply parent-specific kiosk data And we had done a bunch of CI and Hug script improvements in this script, in this sprint. From CI side, we have increased the test coverage for Ambient Multicluster. We had the new CI for this and a new test there. And for now it's not checking just the Istio system namespaces, but it checks the existence of istiod installed. The third thing was for OLM tests, it requires cert manager now. Also, we have added a Hug script to install external Kiali on OpenShift, as well as in download Istio Hug script, we did a performance improvement. There were also some bug fixes in this sprint. When cluster-wide access is false, then the forbidden namespaces query is fixed. Also, when cluster is installed with a mesh with hundreds of namespaces, there was a huge load of overview page which was failing to load. Now the URI is limited to 100 namespaces per chunk, and it is loading the overview page cards by hundreds of chunks. We did some flaky Cypress and molecule test fix in this sprint as well as in Hug scripts. We fixed the Ori Hydra Helm installation. And for the next sprint, we have 5 items in our backlog, and we have ongoing free epics in progress. So that's it for this sprint demo. Thank you. Then I will stop the recording and we will have a time for the community discussions.